Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video, just a 100 subscribers special video, so this is gonna be fun. So it's kind of raining, windy, and yes, and let's proceed. Let's do 5 solves. Yes, 3, 2, and go. So I'm turning 12 on March 20. So yes, so it started raining right now, so yes, so let's go second solve. So we are on 102 subscribers right now, so thank you all for subscribing. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. So I'm not really cubing, I'm not really hanging out with my cube. So yes, I just started gaming my phone, so yes. And third solve, and let's go. Okay, 3, 2, wait, 1, and go. So why do I have? Why do not? Wait, I don't know how to do this, but why don't know? Wait, just a second. Okay, guys, I have a conversation, so yes, I'm speaking to my friend. Wait, so yes, so you can see here I have no timer, and yes, why? Because I have no any cell phone, I have only one Android, and yes, so fourth scramble solve. So it started raining. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Yes. Last solve, and all shoutouts to all of my subscribers who supported me. And yes, so this is gonna be a heavy rain. So thank you all for supporting me to get 100 subscribers. So last solve, and sorry for the background sounds because that's our dog barking. So yes, last solve, and we are done. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was really quick. So yes, thank you all for subscribing, and thank you all for who supported me to get 100 subscribers. So yes, thank you. And yes, this is me as always, the Speed Cuber, and I'm gonna see you guys in my brand new video. Peace. Okay, so